Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Welcome back to extra content with G, with your girl. So today I'm going to be doing a reveal of my camera setup and how everything's going, and maybe a little bit of an unboxing of the new light that I had to get because it broke when I was at Walmart. Yeah, just popped, but the batteries are good. It still works. Okay, so let's get into it. This is like hard and my hair. It's really tiny because I film on my phone. So I just have like the regular little ring light. Nothing has changed. But the only difference is I did kind of upgrade. So the Five Below battery that I showed you, it needs batteries. So it takes two AAA batteries. This one has a charger. So it's rechargeable. And I really like that. That's amazing. So let's actually just open this up right now. Yeah, let's do it. I will link this down below in the description. So make sure you check out the description and see where I got everything from. The direct links. So I dropped the charger. Okay, so here's the charger. That's cute. Instructions. Cute. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's bright. Hold on. I'm scared. Oh, okay. I just opened it. Okay, Puri. Anna, let's try another light setting. This is cute. I hate my ears, please. But this is cute. I like this. The only thing I don't like is that like light reflects in my glasses. But I like this light. It's super cute. Maybe if I didn't wear glasses, it would be better, but I do. All right, so let's get into me showing you the whole setup. That's going to be a bit more difficult, but I'm still going to show you what it looks like. This is the setup. This is the tripod attached to the phone and the camera also attached to the device. And here it is turned on with the light setting.